Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a high score in Block Blast, guys. So if you're looking to basically dominate Block Blast and you want to get that high score, guys, you're in the right place. So basically, in this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest tips and tricks to help you consistently hit those high score points, those top score points, guys. So let's jump right in. So actually, guys, the first things first, the secret to getting high score lines is that you want to clear multiple lines in one move. This basically creates combo moves, which earn you extra points while freeing up more space on the board. So you want to always look for opportunities. You want to be looking for opportunities. Look at this one right here. That's a combo move right there. So always look for opportunities to clear horizontal and vertical lines simultaneously, guys. Look at this. Look at this. That's another combo move, you see? Oh, okay. Step number 2, guys, actually to use the edges wisely, right? Always try to build along the edges of the grid, right? This helps keep the center open for larger or trickier pieces later on, okay? And step number 3, guys, actually just prioritize clearing blocks at the bottom right here, like these ones. You want to prioritize clearing those up, because clearing lines at the bottom of the grid first is critical. It basically ensures that the pieces above fall into place, creating more potential combos. And guys, I want to tell you something, okay? Always plan like 2 or 3 moves ahead, okay? Don't just focus on the piece that you're just placing right now. Always look ahead. Always, guys, I always want you to look ahead. And look at this. Boom. So always look ahead and think about how your move will set you up. I'm almost about to hit my high score, actually. Look at this. Boom, guys. New high score, right? There we go, guys. So always look ahead and think about how your move will basically set you up for the next one. This strategy basically ensures that you will not get stuck with awkward gaps, right? And guys, always, step number 5 is actually always save. Look at this, another combo move, guys. Oh my gosh, amazing. So always, guys, you want to save space for larger pieces like this one. Look at this. This is a large piece. Like, for example, the 3x3 square or the long straight block. Okay, these can end your game quickly if you don't plan ahead. So you want to keep some space in the center. And step number 6, guys, is do not rush. Okay, don't rush, because I'll place one. Should I? Okay, I'll place one here in the corner. I'm working around the edges, right? Okay, get rid of that. So, yeah, as I was saying, Block Blast is not a race. Just take your time to carefully place each piece. Thoughtful moves will always, guys, lead to higher scores. And step number 6, guys, I would tell you is aim for continuous combos. Like you saw how many combos I did right there. And basically, once you've cleared a combo, look for ways to chain up your next move for even more points. Continuous combos are actually the fastest way to rack up a high score, guys. Alright, cannot get one right now. Anyways, guys, finally, the next and final advice I can give you is just practice daily, okay? The more you practice, the better you'll get at recognizing patterns and spotting the best moves. You just want to play a little each day to actually sharpen your skills. And that is it, guys. That is your easy guide to actually achieve high scores in a Block Blast. With these tips, guys, you'll be hitting personal best in no time. And if you find this helpful, guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, guys, for more gaming guys. Make sure you comment down below if you have any other tips and advice for us. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck out there, guys. Good luck.